Hi everyone. Wait, hold on. I need to grab some water. Okay, check out this video where I will teach you 5 common ways to use the word grab in English. Hi, I'm Steve and this is Single Step English. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. If you like this video, please click the like button. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the word grab, which is a very common word in the English language. We will cover the 5 most common ways to use it in English. The first way to use grab is to mean to take something quickly. For example, I need to grab my jacket before we leave. Or, she grabbed the last slice of pizza before I could get it. In both of these examples, grab means to take something quickly or suddenly. The second way to use grab is to mean to hold on to something tightly. For example, he grabbed onto the railing as he went down the stairs. Or, she grabbed onto my arm when she saw the spider. In both of these examples, grab means to hold on to something tightly in order to prevent falling or to show fear. The third way to use grab is to mean to seize or capture something. For example, the police were able to grab the thief as he tried to escape. Or the team was able to grab victory from the jaws of defeat. In both of these examples, grab means to seize or capture something that was difficult to get. The fourth way to use grab is to mean to get someone's attention. For example, hey, can I grab your attention for a moment? Or, I need to grab my boss's attention. In both of these examples, grab means to grab someone's attention quickly. The fifth and final way to use grab is to mean to eat or drink something quickly. For example, I just need to grab a quick snack before I go to my meeting. Or, let's grab a cup of coffee. In both of these examples, grab means to eat or drink something quickly. So, those are the 5 most common ways to use the word grab in English. Remember, as with all words, the context of the sentence and the situation will help you determine which meaning of grab is being used. I would love to explain more, but I need to grab something to eat. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Let's grab a cup of coffee sometime.